Hello my beautiful family. Welcome back to the channel, My Dazzling Decor, where luxury is affordable. What's good, y'all? Trust and believe your week is off to an amazing start. To my amazing returning subscribers, I want to say thank you y'all so much for tuning in. And to my new subbies, what can I say? Thank you so much for stopping by, and you are so welcome to the family. My name is Elizabeth. With Thanksgiving just right around the corner, today we are diving into a unique glam tablescape look featuring an elegant mustard yellow theme. It's also another fall color that adds such a warm and modern luxury vibe to any setting. I'll be walking you through how I use these pool noodles and sunflower, mums, maple leaves, florals to achieve this cool, beautiful centerpiece. Please pardon me for I am under the weather, my voice. Thank you. Okay, so starting off, I'm adding this beautiful ginger jar with flowers, all from mydazzlingdecoryt and this decorative box. And on top is this unique, one-of-a-kind bike-shaped wine holder, all from mydazzlingdecoryt. And guys, I'm just taking this opportunity to let you know that we do have a small online store, so don't forget to check it out for a very elegant and unique pieces, and you will never regret it. Okay, let's continue. I'm adding this beautiful toasting flutes. Next, I'm adding this jeweled champagne bowl with drinks to the second tier with our stunning champagne jeweled glasses, and finally those beautiful pumpkins. And this wraps our beautiful and elegant table bar cart styling. And how elegant can this be, guys? I hope you are motivated to do your bar cart and give it a fresh look. Thank you so much for starting. Okay, so I'm starting with this cheesecloth, and on top is our pool noodle, and that will help create this magical focal color and set the stage for everything else. I'm securing the pool noodles with zip ties in order to place the hurricane vases easily. And I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about sticking the focal flowers, which is the sunflower, to the front to stand out, and I'm adding chrysanthemums to add texture and fill in any gaps and creating that full lush look.
If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time to laugh and time to heal.
I also added the other florals with pumpkins to fill all the gaps until I was satisfied with the look. I also inserted the maple leaves with pumpkins to tie in the fall harvest vibe and to add an extra touch of charm. I'm sorry guys, I'm struggling with my voice. I'm also filling 2/3 of water to the hurricane vases in varying heights, and these floating kind candles.
About you, I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. And I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about
I'm also adding 2/3 of water to the hurricane vases in varying heights.
If I could hear my father's voice.
I'm now laying down these placemats.
He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. I'm thinking about you. I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place.
Followed by this beautiful sunflower dinner plates and soup bowls to the gorgeous centerpiece we just created. And to make it feel extra glam, I'm
My favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home.
adding touches of gold in the form of flatware, which is from mydazzlingdecoryt.us, napkin rings, and these stunning, beautiful jeweled and dazzling wine glasses from mydazzlingdecoryt.us to elevate the whole tablescape, and floating candles. This arrangement, guys, bring a cozy candlelit warmth to your table while keeping it classic and chic. I hope you can try it, guys. I love it. I'm so happy the way it all turned out. And this wraps our 2024 elegant Thanksgiving tablescape and bar cart. Hopefully this inspires you guys to try a fresh and a glam twist on your tablescape this holiday. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more decor ideas, and please remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Bye bye. Love you always.
Could hear my father's voice.